Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Roblox unavailable games. First, always confirm your internet connection is stable and functioning properly. An unreliable connection is a frequent cause of game access problems. Next, visit the official Roblox server status page online to check for any widespread outages affecting the platform. A quick check here can save you a lot of personal troubleshooting time, ensuring the core issue isn't on Roblox's end. Your next step involves looking at the specific game. Ensure the game you are trying to play is fully updated to its most current version, as outdated versions can become inaccessible. Also, confirm that your Roblox account meets any age or regional restrictions set by the game's creator. Certain games are not available in all areas or for all age groups, so understanding these requirements is essential for smooth gameplay. Clearing your application's cache is a powerful troubleshooting step. Start by clearing your Roblox application cache, which removes any potentially corrupted temporary files that might be hindering access. If you're playing through a web browser, clear your browser's cache and cookies too, as these can also interfere. Should these steps not resolve the issue, a complete reinstall of the Roblox application often fixes deeper data integrity problems. Sometimes, other software on your computer can conflict with Roblox. Temporarily disable your firewall and any antivirus software to see if they are blocking the connection. Verify that your operating system and graphics drivers are current, as outdated drivers can lead to performance and compatibility problems. Furthermore, consider turning off any virtual private network, or VPN, you might be using, as they frequently interfere with game server access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.